Hello student, welcome here in integral classes. Now today we will start here binary operation. First we will discuss here definition of binary operation and next is commutative, associativity, identity and inverse. These are four property which are follow in binary operation. First I will explain here the definition of binary operation. What is a binary operation? So student, in a binary operation we will consider here binary operation on a set A. Suppose A and star is a function where A into A cross product A into A and get the answer is also A. It means student, if we apply here binary operation by a Cartesian product A into A, then we will get the resultant is also A from set A. So star is called a binary operation. Now we will write here A star B or star AB. This kind of operation is called binary operation. Suppose we will take two elements from A into A and apply here a binary operation like this: A star B equal to A plus B plus AB. So student, if we will get the answer of this, it is also belongs to A. We will get resultant. Then we will take here two elements from A into A and apply a binary operation which is given A plus B plus AB. Then the resultant is also belongs to A. It is compulsory that answer should be belongs to A. So this type of relation is called binary operation. For example, let the operation is star n cross n and the resultant is also n. Now I will take two elements from n cross A cross product. Then we will apply here this binary operation. So now 2 star 3, then 2 plus 3 plus 2 into 3. So we will get 2 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 11. And 11 is also belongs to natural number. So this kind of relation is called this kind of function is called binary operation. Now next is commutative. What is the meaning of commutative? As your earlier classes you familiar about the commutative. So student, for commutative, again we will take here if star 2, suppose A star B or B star A gives same result. A star B equal to B star A. In this condition we will get same result and all of AB belongs to A. So this type of property is called commutative property and it is apply only two element of any cross product. Now come to the next property is associativity. For associativity we will take here three elements from A cross A. Suppose we will take here A, B, C are three elements for which are belongs to A. So we will apply here A star B star C equal to A star B star C. It means first we will apply here in a two element binary operation, then we will get resultant and resultant also apply third element. The result is equal to, if we will apply here binary operation last two element, then we will get resultant and first element and resultant. Again we will apply here binary operation. In these two conditions we will get same resultant. So this is called associativity. Now for identity, here exists an element E which is belongs to A, and such that if we will apply binary operation with its identity element, then we will get same element. It is called identity. So now and A is belongs to capital A. Now A is, suppose E for natural number, if we will talking here, so we will take identity element here is equal to 1. So A into A is apply here 1, by which operation we will apply? Suppose we will apply here cross multiplication, then A and 1 into A. In both condition we will get same element. So here is E is the identity for A binary operation E equal to A, and E is binary operation equal to A. Now next is inverse. For inverse, here exists a element. For here exists element B which are belongs to A. If we will apply here binary operation A star B or B star A, then we will get its identity. It means suppose we will apply here A into, suppose here we will consider B equal to what? B equal to 1 upon A. So A into 1 by A, these are cancelled, and we will get 1, and 1 is identity for natural number. Which operation we will apply here? For multiplication. So student, these are some basic terms before starting the exercise 1.4 for binary operation. Now we will discuss here some important points also. Binary operation not work in a singleton or void set. What is the meaning singleton set? You know, a set which is contain only one element, and we know that binary operation always apply in a cross product. So we should need here two elements, but in a singleton set only have one element. So binary operation is not applied in a singleton set or void set. What is the meaning of void set? Empty set, which is 5. So in these two sets, binary operation will not work. Now next is addition and multiplication. Follow on real number. If we have given R into R, and we will get is R. Now star is the binary operation. It will be maybe plus, minus or multiplication. In these three conditions, binary operation is work on a real number. How can? If we will take here two numbers from real number, suppose 2 and minus 5. So if we will apply here binary operation for addition, so 2 plus minus 5 equal to minus 3, and minus 3 is belongs to R. So it will be work on a real number. Now for subtraction, again we will take two elements, 2 minus 5, and we will get 2 plus 5, 7, and 7 belongs to R. And third is multiplication. For multiplication, 2 into minus 5, and we will get minus 10, which are belongs to real number. So student, addition, subtraction and multiplication follow on real number, binary operation, but in a division not follow by binary operation or R. Why? Let's see. If we will take two number, 2 upon minus 5, it is work. But if we will take here, suppose 2 upon 0, and 0 is goes to 1 by 0, 2 by 0, any element divided by 0 it goes to, it will be become tends to infinite. So for division there are binary operation not work. Now we will start exercise 1.4. Question number 1. On z plus by a star b equal to a minus b. So how can we will show? We know that what is the meaning of z plus? It means all positive integers are consist here 0, 1, 2 till to infinity. It means z plus. Binary operation we will apply here only for z plus. Now we will take here two elements, a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. So student, we will apply here binary operation a star b. It means 2 star 3 equal to 2 minus 3, and we will get minus 1, and minus 1 is not belongs to z plus. So there are not follow binary operation, not follow binary operation. Now question number second. Now question number second, again we have given binary operation a star b a b. It means if we will apply binary operation, then we will get product of that number. Again we will take these two number, a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Now we will apply here 2 star 3 equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6, which are belongs to z plus. So it is follow, yes, star follow binary operation. Now question number third. On R by a star b, a b square. Now here R is a real number, so we will take here two real number which are belongs to R. Suppose a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 by 2. Then we will apply here this binary operation, 2 into 3 by 2. Then we will get 2 into 3 by 2 whole square, b square here. Now open 2 into 9 by 4. It will be cancelled 2 times. So 9 by 2, which is belongs to real number. So student, this binary operation is also follow here. Yes, it's follow. Now next question is question number 4. Z plus and binary operation is given a star b, a minus b. We know that z star belongs to z star 0 to infinite. Now we will take here again this example, a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Now a star b equal to 2 star 3. It means 2 minus 3. It means minus 1. We will get 1, which are belongs to z plus. This is minus 1. It is the determination sign or mode. So it will be become positive here, and 1 is belongs to z plus. So it's follow. Now question number 5th. In a question number 5th, we have given here again it will be defined on z star, z plus, and binary operation star is given a star b equal to a. So student, again we will take here suppose z plus. A equal to 2, B equal to 1. Then we will apply here A star, sorry, not 2 star 1 equal to 2. So only in this case we will get here same number. Why? Because if we will consider here B equal to 1, then we will get this number is applied. But here if we will apply here other numbers, suppose A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. So again A star B equal to A, it means 2 star 3 equal to 2. So it is also follow here. Now 2 belongs to Z plus. So it is follow, yes, it is also follow binary operation. Question number 2, check for binary, commutative or associative. First we will check it is follow the binary operation or not. Then we will apply property commutative and associative. So now here is Z. We know that Z is an integer and it will goes to minus infinite to plus infinite. Now we will select, choose any two numbers from this set. Suppose A equal to 2 and B equal to minus 3. Okay, then we will get here, apply this binary operation A star B, A minus B. It means A is 2 star minus 3. Then we will get 2 minus 3. The resultant is 5. And 5 is belongs to Z. So it's follow binary operation. Binary operation. Now for commutative we will prove here A star B equal to B star A. Now for A star B, what? A minus B. Again 2 minus, suppose we will take here, again we will consider two elements from Z, A equal to 2 and B equal to minus 3. 2 star minus 3 equal to minus 3 star 2. Now we will get, student, 2 minus 3 and minus 3 minus 2. So now answer is 5 and the other side is minus 5, which are not equal. So it's not follow binary commutativity, not follow commutative. Now for associativity, again we will consider here three elements which are belongs to Z. Suppose A equal to 2, B equal to minus 3 and C equal to 6. We will consider here. Now A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Now we will apply here for first two. It means 2 star minus 3 star 6 equal to 2 star minus 3 star 6. Now 2 star minus 3, 2 minus 3 star 6 equal to 2 star minus 3 minus 6. A minus B, we will apply here this operation, binary operation, A star B equal to A minus B. So now it will be become 5 star 6 equal to 2 star minus 9. Again we will apply here 5 minus 6 equal to 2 minus 9. So it will become minus 1, and it's 9 plus 2 11, which are not equal to. So not follow associativity. It means A star B star C not equal to here A star B star C. Question number second on Q. Q is a rational number. Define A star B equal to AB plus 1. Now first we will check this binary operation follow or not. If we will take two numbers from Q, A equal to 2 by 3 and B equal to minus 1 by 2. So now apply here A star B. It means 2 by 3 star minus 1 by 2. Then we will get 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 is cancelled. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Then we will get 2 by 3, which are belongs to Q. So it's follow binary operation. It's follow binary operation. Now for commutativity. Now for commutativity, again we will write here, suppose A star B equal to AB plus 1. Now we will write here AB equal to BA. We should write. So what is the value of this? B star A. It means A star B equal to B star A. It means it's follow commutativity. Now it's follow commutativity. Now for associativity, again A star B star C. Then A star B what? AB plus 1. Then star C. So again we will apply here AB plus 1 into C plus 1. Then we will get ABC plus C plus 1. Now other side A star B star C. So now first we will apply here on B star C A star as it is, then BC plus 1. Now again we will apply here, it will become A BC plus 1 and plus 1. This is the function. It will be considered B, like a B, this B. So we will write here, hold this bracket. Now multiply ABC plus A plus 1. As we observe here, these two are equal or not? So student, star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. It means this not follow associativity, not follow Now in question number 3, again binary operation define on Q, and binary operation is A star B equal to AB by 2. Now first of all we will check again it will be binary or not. So we will consider A equal to 2 upon 5 and B equal to minus 1 by 2. So now A star B 2 by 5 star minus 1 by 2 it will be become 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 2 upon 2. 2 is cancelled, so it will be become minus 1 upon 10, and it is belongs to rational number. So star follow binary operation. Now for commutativity. Now for commutative, as we know that A star B equal to AB by 2. Now we should write here again A star B equal to AB by 2. Now we will write here AB by 2, BA by 2, and BA by 2 what? B star A. So it will be follow the commutativity. It's follow commutativity. Now for associativity. Now for associativity, again we will consider here 3 elements: A star, B star, C. So what is the value of A star, B star, C? First we will write A star BC by 2. Now first we will apply here in both of these B star C. Then again we will apply here A BC by 2 upon 2. So it will be become ABC by 4. Now other side A star B star C. Then first we will apply here A star B. So what will be the value? We will get AB by 2. Now star C. Then again we will get ABC by 2 upon 2. So ABC by 4. It means, as we observe here both sides, this follow associativity. So right here it's follow associativity. For binary, if we will take A equal to 2, B equal to 3, then we will get here A equal to 2 and B equal to 3, because Z plus, it means all positive integer we will consider here. Then 2 star 3 equal to 2 into 3, then 2 exponent 6, which is 64 and belongs to Z plus. So it's follow binary operation. Operation. It's follow. Now for commutative. For commutative, again A star B equal to 2 AB. Now we should write it here 2 BA, which is equal to what? Which is equal to B star A. So it's follow commutativity. Yes, it's follow. Now for associativity. Again A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Now A star B what? 2 exponent AB star C. A star B star C what? 2 exponent BC. Now again we will apply in both, then we will get 2 exponent 2 AB into C. It should be right. because we will consider here it is whole A. Suppose it is a capital A, I will consider for understanding. It is a capital A. So capital A star C and A, it is a considered capital B. Okay. Now, so A star C equal to what? Here 2 exponent AB, AC, and here is 2 exponent AB. Now we will put here the value of capital A. Capital A equal to what? 2 exponent AB into C, and 2A capital B equal to what? 2 exponent BC. As we observe here, these are equal or not? These are not equal. So it's not follow associativity. It's not follow VT. I hope so, in student, you have to try to understand these questions. Question number 5th on Z is Z plus A star B equal to exponent B. First we should check here for binary operation. So consider A equal to 3 and B equal to, suppose B equal to 0. We will consider here. So now 3 star 0 equal to 3 exponent 0, which is equal to 1, and 1 belongs to Z plus 1. So it's follow binary operation. It's follow binary operation. Now for commutativity. Now for commutativity, then we should prove A star B equal to B star A. What is the value of A star B? A exponent B. And what is the value of B star A? B exponent A. As we observe, these are equal or not? These are not equal. So it's not follow commutativity. Now for associativity, we will apply here again A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Now A star B equal to what? A exponent B and star C. Now B star C what? B exponent C. Now we will consider here, suppose it is a capital A and it is a capital B. So we should write A star C, A star B. Now A star C what? A star C, A exponent C, and A star B what? A exponent capital B. Now we will put the value A and B. A equal to what? A equal to A exponent B into C, and A, what is the value of B? B is B exponent C. Now it will become A exponent BC and it A exponent B exponent C. So these are not equal here. So therefore it's not follow associativity. Not follow associativity. Now question number 6 is on real number minus 1, A star B equal to A upon B plus 1. First we will again check here it's binary or not. So we will consider here A equal to 2 by 3 and B equal to 9 upon 5. 9 upon 5. Now we will put the value here. 2 by 3 star 9 by 5, then will be become 2 by 3, 9 by 5 plus 1, so it will be become 2 by 3, 14 upon 5. Then answer is 5 2 ja 10, 14 3 ja 42. So 10 upon 42, it is a real number. So yes, it's follow binary operation. It's follow binary operation. Now for commutativity, we'll check here for commutativity. So it is A star B equal to A upon B plus, and B star A equal to B upon plus. Is they are equal? No. So A upon B plus 1 is not equal to B upon A plus. So A star B is not equal to B star A. It means it not follow commutativity, not follow commutativity. Now for associativity, we will consider here three numbers: A star B star C equal to A star and B star C. A star B what? A star B equal to A upon B plus 1. Star C, A star B upon C plus 1. Now again we will apply, suppose we will again consider it is a capital A and it is a capital B. So it will be become A star C and A star B. Now A star C what? A star C equal to A star C equal to what here? A star C capital A upon C plus 1. And other side A star B equal to A upon B plus 1. Now we will put the value AB here. A is equals to A upon B plus 1 upon C plus 1. And other side A, B equal to what? B equal to B upon C plus 1 plus 1. Now we will take here LCM. So it should be A upon B plus 1 C plus 1 equal to A C plus 1. Take LCM, denominator B plus C plus B. Is they are equal? They are not equal. So A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. It means they don't follow associativity. Not follow associativity. Next question, question number 3. Consider binary operation on this set is given 1 2 3 4 5, and we will consider here binary operation is A cap B equal to minimum of AB. It means we will choose that numbers which are minimum both of them. Now we will draw its binary operation table. So student, first we will write here this operation which we will apply here. How many numbers are? 1 2 3 4 5. Both sides we will write here horizontal or vertical. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now make table. Firstly now we will apply this binary operation in this table. Now 1 cap 1, it means minimum 1 minimum. Which number is minimum? 1 is minimum. Now next is 1 cap 2, which number is minimum? 1 here. Now I will explain here. 1 cap 1, minimum of 1. So as we observe here, 1 is minimum. Now second, 1 cap 2, minimum of 1 and 2. Which number is minimum? 1 is minimum. So we should write here 1. Similarly, 1 cap 3, 1 is minimum. 1 cap 4, 1 is minimum. And 1 cap 5 is 1 is minimum. Now second 2 cap 1, which is minimum here? Again 1. We should write 2 cap 2, which is minimum? 2. Again 2 cap 3, which is minimum? 2. Again we should write here 2. 2 cap 4, 2 is minimum. 2 cap 5, 2 is minimum. So here is 2. Now 3 cap 1 is minimum. 3 cap 2 is minimum. So 1 2. Now 3 cap 3 is minimum. 3 cap 4, again 3 minimum. 3 cap 5, again 3 minimum. So we should write 3 is minimum. Now 4 cap 1 is minimum. 4 cap 2 is minimum. 4 cap 3 is minimum. 4 cap 4 is minimum. 4 cap 5, again 4 is minimum. So we should write here 1 2 3 4 and 4. Now for 5 cap 1, 5 cap 1 is minimum. 5 cap 2 is minimum. 5 cap 3 is again minimum. 5 cap 4 is minimum here. And last is 5 cap 5, so 5 is minimum. So now we should write 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the table to consider a binary operation. Which binary operation we will consider here? A cap B, minimum of AB. Now this question is also completed. Now student, if you have any problem, any query, so you can do in my comments box. Thank you.